Hello dear friend. There is a ton of quality budget gas range, but which one is gonna be the best for you and your specific needs? In this video we will be checking out the best budget gas range. I have made a list based on performance, features and more. I have included options for every type of consumer to make sure that you find the right product for you. Don't forget the like and subscribe button. Let's go.
Choose the best of both worlds with Thor Kitchen's professional gas or dual fuel ranges. From high-powered burners of up to 18,000 BTUs to a low steady simmer function, Thor ranges give you complete control over your cooktop. Boil water at lightning speed for family spaghetti night, or melt chocolate for a delicate souffle. We believe in heavy-duty continuous cast iron grates, so do cooks moving heavy pots to the back burner. Strong die-cast metal burner knobs not only sound cool, they add style and durability. Check out these sexy blue LED control panel lights. Make a bold statement in your kitchen with brilliant blue porcelain interior. Think big with a spacious oven capacity that lets you master several dishes at the same time. With the clock ticking, our slick new Lux Glide telescopic rack makes it quick and easy to check on your main course. The commercial convection fan provides controlled heat distribution for a perfectly even cooking temperature. And the infrared flame broiler in the gas range seals in flavor with a restaurant-quality sear. Power, versatility, style. Ready for its close-up. Take your snickerdoodles or your prime rib to the next level with Thor Kitchen's gas ranges. Crank up the heat with high-powered burners that offer up to 18,000 BTUs and provide fast, intense heat for creating large family meals and restaurant-quality dishes. We believe in heavy-duty continuous cast iron grates, so do cooks moving heavy pots to the back burner. Durable burner control knobs add style to Thor's bold range design. Think big with a spacious oven capacity that lets you master several dishes at the same time. The commercial convection fan provides controlled heat distribution for a perfectly even cooking temperature. And the powerful broiler seals in flavor and adds that final sear. Sleek, handsome, versatile, built to last. Designed to inspire passionate cooks for a lifetime of culinary excellence.
Ready to cook on your Frigidaire gas range? With just a few easy steps, you'll be all set to prepare a meal for the family with delicious results. Your gas range may have many different sized surface burners. The ability to heat more food and to do it quickly increases as the burner size increases. Select cookware that is suitable for the amount and type of food being prepared. Select a burner and flame size appropriate for the cookware. To set a surface burner, place a pot or pan on the center of the burner grate, making sure the pan is stable. Push the burner control knob in and turn it counterclockwise from the off position and rotate it to light. You may hear all the electronic igniters spark. That's normal. Only the burner you turned on will actually ignite. Once the burner has a steady flame, push the control knob in and turn it counterclockwise until the flame is burning to the desired height. Adjust the flame as needed using the knob markings. Do not cook with a surface control knob on light. The electronic igniter will continue to spark. A higher flame wastes energy and increases your risk of being burned by the flame, so it's best to avoid extending the flame beyond the outer edge of your cookware. A good flame is clear, blue, and hardly visible in a well-lit room. Each flame cone should be steady and sharp. Adjust or clean the burner if the flame is yellow or orange.
Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed yourself, make sure to press that like button, and if you want to see more of these videos, make sure to press that subscribe button and notification so you would know when we drop a new video. Also, if you're interested in any of these products, you will find all their links in the description. Thank you.